You don't take a sip of hot chai right after pouring it. You wait for a few seconds until it settles and then sip it. Same with trading. Smart traders don't enter the markets when the markets are extremely volatile, but rather they wait for the markets to settle down, and that's exactly what we call a retest. Hi, I am Pranav VK, an NISM certified trader and trainer. You are watching Stockshaala by Kotak Securities. In the last video, we learned how to combine the power of price as well as volumes to identify strong moves. But this lesson is going to teach you how to enter these smart moves using the power of retest. A retest is when a price breaks out of a specific level and comes back to the same price before rebounding from there. It's like the market is asking if the new support level is strong enough to support the new trend. If yes, it bounces and gives you a great entry opportunity. When the price pulls back after a breakout, it scares the impatient traders and shakes out the weak hands. Here's an analogy to help you understand the concept better. Imagine you are bungee jumping. Would you rather jump immediately after the rope is clipped? Or would you wait for the team to test it and give you a green signal that it is safe for you to jump? Similarly, in trading as well. The smart traders wait for a retest to get technical as well as psychological confirmation before entering the trades. Now let's understand how to spot a good retest setup. There are three things that you need to remember. The first thing is a clean breakout candle. The second thing, it has to retest the same level. And the third thing, you get a confirmation candle. So here I have taken an example of Narayana Hrudayalaya on a 1-day time frame chart. Let's get to charts. Here, as you can see, there is a very good green candle breakout, and after which the pullback was there, retesting the same level from where the breakout happened, and then there's a continuation of the move. And once you get a confirmation candle, that is when you can re-enter and you can see the move was massive after this specific retest. And this kind of retest is called as a breakout retest. Just like a breakout retest, let's also have a look at an example of a breakdown retest. And for this, I have taken the example of Tejas Networks on a 1-day time frame. So here, as you can see, this is the 1-day time frame chart of Tejas Networks. And after having a downtrend, you can see that there was a specific breakdown at this level. After breaking down, there was a pullback, retesting the same level or testing that same level, after which there was a continuation of downtrend. And this bearish candle over here gives you a confirmation that you can re-enter for a short sell. The good part is that just like I showed you, retests are not just for breakouts but also for breakdowns as well, which means on either side, whether on the bullish side or on the bearish side, you can use retests for your entries. Here is a pro tip. Don't force a retest if it doesn't happen. Sometimes the price just flies away. Always remember that a missed trade is better than a bad trade. Here's a quick recap of what we have covered so far. We understood what a retest is. We understood that having a little bit of patience and waiting a little bit more can be one of the smartest moves in trading. We also looked at two examples, one with a breakout and one with a breakdown. And now you know how you can trade like a pro using retests. In the next video, we'll cover something that most retail traders would love. That is the retail traps. Make sure to like this video and share this with someone who is continuously waiting for breakouts all the time. You're watching Stockshaala by Kotak Securities, and make sure to continue watching if you want to become a sharper, stronger and profitable trader every week.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.